What if the most valuable asset you own isn't your bank account, but your brain? Maybe you're a spreadsheet ninja, a party planning rock star, or you write Instagram captions that deserve a Pulitzer. But here's the big idea: you can turn that everyday skill into a digital product that earns while you sleep. No money, no audience, no credentials, just you and a plan. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the 4-step framework to go from I have an idea to I just made my first online sale. I know this online business world can feel like a wild jungle, but listen, you haven't missed your shot. You don't need to go viral. You don't need a fancy funnel. You need to solve a real problem and get it out there. Today, we're going to build you your first stream passive income step by step. We'll cover how to find a product idea people already want and how to create a simple, useful product without fancy tools, where to host it for free, and how to launch it, even if your audience is just your cat and your cousin. So let's go. This is the validation phase. Big mistake, creating something no one wants. Let's skip all that. Start with what you already know. What do people always ask you for help with? Resume tips, budgeting templates, puppy training, bingo. Hey, that's a product. Digital guides, templates, checklists, mini courses. These things sell every day. And here's how to test your idea: go to Etsy, Gumroad, or Payship and type it in. If other people are selling something similar, that's excellent news. That means there's a demand. You need your unique twist. Step 2, build your MVP, minimum viable product. Now, let's make the thing, but here's the idea: done beats perfect. You don't need a 200-page ebook or a Hollywood level video course. Start a lean version, a 10-page guide, a 3-step checklist, or a short video series that solves one real problem and fast. Use free tools like Google Docs, Canva, Loom. Please keep it simple, but keep it helpful, because launching a messy product is never launching at all. Step 3, set up your free storefront. Time to open up shop now, people. Platforms like Gumroad and Payship let you create a digital store for free in under an hour. There's no upfront cost, no tech headaches, just upload and go. Your product page should answer 3 questions. What is it? You're asking, who is it for? What problem does it solve? Focus on the benefits, not just the features, and then set a fair price and hit publish. Boom, you've got a digital product live on the internet. Number 4, launch it, even with 0 followers. Here's the moment of truth. The goal here is to make your first sale, not your first million. That first dollar is proof of concept. Start by sharing on your social media, but don't just post a link. Tell a story. Why did you make this? Who does it help? What transformation can they expect? Then go back to the online community where you researched earlier, and if the rules allow, share your product as a solution. Every comment, every sale, every this helped me in a big way. Conclusion, call to action, and that's it. The roadmap from idea to income. You don't need to wait for permission or perfection. Just start, because your first product won't be your best, but it will be your most important. To help you get there, I've created a free 1-page first product launch checklist, which you can access in the description below. I want to hear from you guys. What's one digital product idea you could launch? Drop it in the comments below. Let's brainstorm together if you want. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because I've got more step-by-step strategies coming every single week. And as always, this is Scott. Hey, peace and progress.